Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your AOL mail account to your Gmail app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gmail application on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the account icon at the top right corner, and now you will find the Add Another Account option at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be asked to select which kind of account you want to add. Tap on Other in order to add your AOL mail account. You will now be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your AOL mail email address and then tap on the next button, and you will be asked to enter your password. After entering your password, tap on the next button, and now you will be logged into your AOL mail account into the Gmail app right away. And you can now use the Gmail application to use your AOL mail account. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your AOL mail account on Gmail. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.